Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to change a WhatsApp group name. Whether you're rebranding your group or just want to give it a fresh new look, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to update your WhatsApp group name. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat, whose name you want to change. This could be a family group, a work team, or any other type of group you're part of. Now tap on the group name at the top of the chat screen. This will open up the group info page, where you can manage various settings related to your group. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Change Group Name. This option allows you to edit the current name of your group. Once you've selected Change Group Name, a text field will appear where you can enter the new name for your group. Type in the name you want, keeping in mind that WhatsApp allows up to 100 characters, including emojis if you like. This gives you plenty of room to get creative with your group name. After entering the new name, tap on OK to save your changes. This will update the group name immediately, and all members will be notified of the change. It's worth noting that only group admins have the permission to change the group name. If you're not an admin, you won't see the option to edit the name. However, if you are an admin, this is a great way to keep your group organized and reflective of its purpose. Changing your WhatsApp group name is a simple yet effective way to personalize your group and keep it engaging. Whether you're updating for a special occasion or just want a fresh start, these steps will help you do it easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.